Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Patch.
Welcome back.
And we have a Does It game for y'all today. This is, how much is this?
This is like 15 bucks on sale. It's like 20 bucks. Yeah, it's the Logitech M325C. Now this is their color option. It looks nice. Cool design.
Look at how small this is, guys.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. You know, it's an affiliate link. So obviously this is just for like casual use, you're browsing the web, or I don't know, just your regular stuff. You know, you're using a computer, you want a very portable mouse, this is what you get. You know, it's wireless, very convenient and stuff like that. But does it game is the question. Can you play games?
Find that out.
Yes, so we're gonna find that out right now. Let's get it started off with the shape. Look at how small this thing is.
It's tiny, but you know what? I don't mind it. Actually, I was able to use it.
Yes.
For like a fingertip grip?
Yes. So obviously you look.
There's no palming.
You can't palm. Imagine palming this. Look at that. Oh yeah.
That does not work.
Yeah, you can't palm it unless you have unless you're a baby and you have really tiny hands or something. But this is obviously going to be just fingertip, not even claw. Because claw, you kind of want the bottom of the mouse to hit the palm of your hand a little bit, you know. But you can't do that obviously because it's such a short mouse.
Yeah.
And I guess the arch is more towards the back and you have a pretty sharp drop off at the end of the mouse. And it works, guys, which is very interesting. Yeah. You know, it feels nice.
It does. It's actually not bad. And it's got those rubber side grips for your thumb and your pinky too. Yeah. Not bad. I'm actually a fan of the shape. Yeah. I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind seeing that in like an actual gaming mouse.
Yeah. So shape, A-OK, we like it. Obviously, if you don't like a smaller mouse or you don't fingertip grip, then you can't use it.
Yep.
But in our case, we really like the shape. All right, as far as the weight goes, as this mouse being so small, take a guess. How heavy do you think
it's actually
this is?
Pretty heavy. I don't know, maybe like a 90 gram?
I think so. Yeah, around there. No, 82 grams.
82 grams.
I mean, for this form factor, it's obviously really heavy. But you know,
and the thing is, it's not like a typical mouse where it's like rechargeable. It literally has batteries in it. Like you have to put like a battery in there, so that weighs it down a lot.
Exactly. Yeah, I wonder how much this weighs without a battery.
Let's see without the battery.
Let's see. 59 grams.
59 grams.
Yeah,
that's a Model O minus.
Significantly lighter. Yeah. So obviously the battery is super heavy. So yeah, there's a weight there. As far as the clicks go, there's just 2 buttons on this entire mouse.
Yeah.
It's just the mouse 1 and 2. I guess the scroll wheel just click as well.
That feels bad. That's terrible.
Yes. So I mean the mouse 1 and 2 don't feel horrible though.
Yeah, they're not bad.
They're not bad.
It's like Logitech usually provides with the mouse clicks. There's like no wobble on them. Like,
are these on switches? What is it rated for? 20
we don't know.
They
don't give those statistics on these mice.
And then the scroll wheel is very mushy. You know, not they don't have well-defined steps, and it's like wobbly. Not a very good scroll wheel, and the click feels like crap.
So. It's definitely a $20 mouse scroll wheel.
Yes,
but call it that.
But the mouse 1 and 2 feel nice. There's no side buttons, so if you're gonna weapon switch or something like that,
you're scrolling.
Yeah, you're scrolling.
You're pressing the numbers.
Or you're pressing the numbers. You suck. You know. All right, moving on to the glides. Incredible. No, we're using this Glide 18 or not.
Glide 19.
We're using this Glide 19 mouse pad, which feels. This is a very fast mouse pad, and it sucks.
The glides, they're stock mouse feet. I mean,
they're trash.
It's what you can expect. There's 2 on the top and there's 2 on the bottom, and they're average.
Below average, I would say.
You could hyperglide this bad boy. And,
you can. They look like the Jewel Hottie mouse feet. You know, the shape.
See, I feel like this would be harder to mod because there's like a battery in there, but I feel like it could be done.
Yes.
Or you could just mod the crap out of it and just put like a 3360 in this bad boy.
Oh my god. Which brings us to the sensor. So they're using this wireless receiver right here. And how is that wireless technology?
They call it a nano receiver.
Oh
it's a standard Bluetooth range. What I like about the receiver though is it's their unifying receiver. So if you have other Logitech equipment that uses a receiver like this, you can pair them all to the same one rather than having to have a bunch of dongles plugged into your computer. But as far as the technology on this one goes, It's trash.
It's very trash, and we usually say, you know, sensors don't matter as far as, you know, gaming sensors go, because usually they're all really good.
Yeah.
You know, and if it's a new and improved sensor by like, you know, 2 milliseconds or something, you're really not gonna notice it, and you're not gonna notice a drastic difference. But with this, it's trash. There's so much latency, so much lag.
Very, very clearly not built for speed.
Yes.
Very clearly not built for gaming. It's built for someone who's working at a desk, you know.
Exactly. So sensor, very bad. Obviously there is no cord. This is a wireless mouse, so that's really cool. We love wireless mice.
We do.
So that's a plus. As far as build quality goes, I mean, the plastic that they use on this mouse is real cheap.
Yeah, very.
Feels really crappy. I guess the only thing I like about it is these rubber. I don't even know if this is rubber. Is it rubber? Feels like
it's like a texture on the
it's
side.
like
and that's nice.
I like that.
Doesn't hurt to have.
But I mean, the build quality is real trash. Scroll wheel's trash.
Pretty bad.
But there's not a lot of button wobble though. Which
Pretty much the only redeeming thing about this is like the textured sides and then the mouse 1 and 2.
Exactly.
Pretty much.
Exactly.
So as far as the software for their standard like office mice and keyboards, you use Logitech options for it instead of their gaming software G Hub. And it's good. It's functional. I mean, it does everything you need it to, and allows you to pair multiple devices, as I talked about earlier.
What DPI does it max out at?
I don't even
32,000.
I imagine
Who
1,600.
Like who even does 32,000, dude?
No one.
Like, why do companies like show that off? Like,
If you have
16,000 DPI, like
I feel like if you have like 4 8K monitors, maybe you'll use that. Maybe.
I guess maybe, you know. So yeah, does this game? No, and because of the sensor. The sensor is really bad, and then I guess the buttons are okay. I would really love some side buttons. The glides are real trash as well. But one thing I really like about it is the shape.
Shape's so good. Like that's the thing, because like I was trying to play the Halo, the Master Chief Collection, that's released on PC. So fun. And all the other ones that we tried, I was fine with them. Like I could get through it, but this one was just like the wireless connection and the sensor in there was just oof.
So yeah, I mean, if they fix those things, this would actually be pretty nice. Yeah, I like the shape, guys.
I feel like if they put a better sensor in it and maybe made it rechargeable instead of like a battery in there, it would work.
A little bit lighter.
It would actually work.
Yeah, better glides, then I would actually like it.
And I'll sugarcoat that even by saying that we're definitely testing this as if it's a gaming mouse. And we understand that that's not the purpose that it's built for.
Yes, obviously. But this is just for fun. And we like to test different types of mice, you know? And then obviously, is there a gaming mouse with this type of shape? I don't think so, right?
Only that one, like, there was like carbon fiber,
that 20,
the 23-gram one.
Yeah, but you know, other than that, you know, I actually really like it. So I would love to see a gaming mouse with this shape. So companies, get on it. I like it. So that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next one.
See you in the next one.